Need an NBI clearance but don't know where to start? I've got you covered. Getting it online is easier than you think. If you're a first-time job seeker, it's even free. Hello, I'm Louisa Anasunción and welcome to Purple Diaries. This is episode 1. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to get your NBI clearance online. Plus, I'm gonna share some tips on how are you gonna make it faster and smoother. Step 1 is head to NBI Clearance website. Visit www.nbi.gov.ph to register for an account. If you've already registered, simply log in. 2. Fill out the online application. Provide your personal information, family background, and educational history. 3. Select your ID. Use a valid government-issued ID from the list. First-time job seekers can even use their PSA birth certificates if they don't have valid IDs yet. Just bring the original on your appointment day. 4. Schedule your appointment. Pick your preferred NBI branch, your date, and the time. Remember, walk-ins are not accepted. Online scheduling is required. 5. Secure your payment. The clearance fee is 130 pesos. So, additional charges may apply depende kung ano yung pipiliin mo na mode of payment. Pay via Bayad Center, Easy Pay. You can even use your credit cards, Visa, or MasterCard. And the easiest way for me is you can use your e-wallets like GCash or PayMaya. Important thing to remember is keep your reference number. Yan ang wag na wag mong wawalain. 6. Prepare for your appointment. On the day of your appointment day, make sure to be presentable and bring 2 valid IDs. And syempre, yung reference number mo. 7. It's the biometric data capturing. NBI staff will take your fingerprint and other biometric info. 8 is clearance issuance. If there are no issues, you'll get your NBI clearance right away. Pero kung may hit ka like me, further verification may be required. Pro tip, skip mall branches, skip yung mga big branches ng NBI and opt for smaller and farther NBI branches. Reason for this is mas less ang waiting time ninyo at mas maikli ang pila. As for me, I went to NBI Baras at super fast lang nang nangyari sa akin doon. And guess what? Nakapag-coffee side trip pa ako. For renewals, you can do it online, then pick it up or get it delivered. Yes, you can also request door-to-door delivery. Once released, verify your clearance online. What to bring? Reference number and 2 valid IDs. But as for me, there in the Paras, hiningan nila ako isang ID lang. I just showed my PRC ID. And syempre, don't forget to bring your patience and your smile. And that's how you get your NBI clearance fast and hassle-free. Don't forget to click and follow my playlist so you won't miss my episode 2. I'll teach you how I went from doot to typing to achieving my 50 words per minute without looking at the keyboard. See you!